Okay, YouTubers, we're back at the car club on Saturday, May 2nd. And what we're going to do today is, among other things, replace the fuel filter on my 2.1 liter turbo diesel Sprinter motor. Okay, so we'll take a look. I've got the fuel filter here. Got a new air filter. I got my coffee. So we should be good to go. Okay, I got everything out of the way. Air filter box, engine cover, and there is the fuel filter. It's hot. I gotta let everything cool down a little bit. So that'll be the next thing we take out. That's what we're replacing. Looks like this.
And after 1775 and 1776,
looks like that.
They realized those God-given rights.
So we'll do that now. Okay, you can tell by the music here, it's 1960s. Everyone here lives in the 1960s or 50s. So there's the old fuel filter. There's the hole where it came out of with all the fittings. Here's the new one right here. So we're just gonna put it in and attach everything back to it, the hoses and all the other stuff, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, the new one's installed, bright and shiny. So now we'll button up all this stuff, attach all the air hoses to the air filter box, put the engine cover back on first, and we should be good. I'm going to test it with it off and see if there's any leaks right now. Okay, I installed a new air filter, buttoned up most of it. We'll put the cover on the air filter. There's the old one. It's pretty dirty. I vacuumed in the box here. It was pretty dirty. So we're almost done. Okay, all done. I did a leak test. So we got a new diesel fuel filter and a new air filter. So mission accomplished this morning. This is a pretty little hot rod.
This is the Harvey set.
Beautiful.
Well, I got to pull the differential out. Doesn't have posi now that I got 400 horsepower. It just wants to burn up that right rear. So I bought another rear end. I'm going to set that up the way I want it.
1931. Okay, YouTubers, we'll see you next week.